Hey, Alan. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not, actually, fortunately, I think for me, so that I'm not freezing outside. We are here still in Flurry. We're actually going over towards Scarborough. We are just heading over from Cape Elizabeth, where we are getting some pretty spotty cell service and also just seeing really what this accumulation of snow looks like. I'll take you guys just right to kind of what I'm talking about. It was definitely a little bit worse on the kind of more residential street we were just at, but you can definitely see, I mean, just barely kind of any road that we're seeing. Definitely no cars that we've been really seeing for the past probably 10 or so minutes. I'll take you to another view that we have of outside, kind of more towards the road itself. Definitely just a lot of accumulation, like Alan has just been mentioning. The ratio of just how much snow has been falling throughout kind of these hours that we've been out here has just been pretty impressive to see. And it's definitely been a lot more windy out here. I'll take you back kind of towards our front facing camera. It's slowed down a little bit, but we were actually hearing it howl definitely a lot and kind of feeling that in the car here. Scout is kind of right next to me and has definitely been just kind of having to slow down a little bit as we've been driving through these kind of more residential streets. Scout, I guess, yeah, kind of what have been some of the conditions been kind of like for you?
The snow's pretty crunchy still, but I definitely making any turns and stopping. Gotta go slow. It's not packing down at all, and I would say that the wind is actually making driving quite difficult. You can probably see on the front camera, the wind is just picking up this light fluffy snow and it's driving it right across the road. So while it's not too slippery out here, I can't really make out very far ahead of me. So we're definitely taking it very slow and very cautiously.
Yeah, definitely. Like Scout kind of mentioned, the visibility, especially if you're kind of more towards kind of off the beaten path, not on kind of the highway or any of the main roads, definitely getting a lot harder to see. So stay careful if you are planning on traveling at all and stay home if you can. So we'll take it back to you guys at the desk.